Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at a true classic from Mercedes-Benz, the 1972 Mercedes 280 SE. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history, blending luxury, style, and performance from the golden era of motoring. Let's dive right in. The 1972 Mercedes 280 SE exudes elegance with its timeless design. Featuring the signature Mercedes chrome grille, round headlamps, and sleek, flowing lines, this car stands out even today. The bodywork has a commanding presence, with classic proportions and subtle curves that give it both sophistication and authority. Look closely at the details: chrome bumpers, stylish wheel covers, and the understated Mercedes badging. Everything speaks of craftsmanship. Whether in its sedan or coupe form, the 280 SE has a design that is both refined and instantly recognizable. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure 1970s luxury. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, featuring high-quality leather seats, polished wood trim, and chrome accents that exude class. The dashboard is minimalist yet functional, with easy-to-read gauges and a large steering wheel typical of the era. Even by today's standards, the interior feels solid and well-built. The seating comfort and legroom make it ideal for long drives, while the classic AM/FM radio and air conditioning keep the ride pleasant. This car truly represents the golden age of Mercedes craftsmanship, attention to detail in every corner. Performance. Under the hood, the 1972 280 SE comes with a 2.8-liter inline-six engine, delivering around 160 horsepower. It may not sound huge by modern standards, but paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic or manual transmission, it provides effortless, refined performance. Acceleration is steady, with a focus on comfort rather than outright speed. The ride quality is exceptional, thanks to Mercedes' advanced suspension for the era, making every journey smooth and controlled. Handling is predictable, and the brakes, while classic, give reliable stopping power. This car isn't about racing, it's about cruising in style with confidence. The 1972 Mercedes 280 SE is more than just a vintage car, it's a symbol of an era when luxury, style, and engineering came together perfectly. With timeless exterior styling, a luxurious interior, and smooth, dependable performance, it's no wonder that enthusiasts and collectors around the world still cherish this classic. If you love cars that combine elegance with history, the 280 SE is a true gem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car reviews. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore another classic icon of automotive history. Until then, keep driving in style.